Hi, my name is Justin Hills. I'm a project manager with Pro West Roofing. We're out here at the Kasdorf Williams residence. What we're going to do today is we're going to attempt to do a repair on this wind damaged shingle. We're going to pull this shingle out and then put it back in, nail it with the correct 5 nails per shingle. Process for that is we're gonna release the shingle from above, so we can see any nails. These are stapled in. So as you can see, just by barely lifting this shingle up, just to identify the nails that are through the damaged shingle, we actually have a tear right there. And then the shingle is also delaminating. The dragon's teeth above it are delaminating on this one and this one as well. Get over here, go to the next shingle next to it to identify where that staple is. That staple is buried pretty deep. Go underneath. Now, this is the affected window damaged shingle. We pulled all the
Well, you need to get these.
staples out. No, we pull all the staples that are here on this staple line, but the staples or the nailer line from the shingle above is actually driven straight through, still holding this shingle in. So we're gonna have to release the nails in the shingle above it. Break the tabs. For this one to identify the staples. Okay. All right, now you can see we've been able to free this shingle, pull it out. Now obviously just from trying to free this wind damaged shingle, the shingle is delaminated, it's coming apart into 2 different pieces. Also, the shingle above it, the dragon's teeth are starting to delaminate. 1, 2, 3, right there. I believe that one above that too. 1, 2, 3, or no, that one's not gone yet. It's still there. Now we need to nail this shingle back in. weren't able to identify the shingle yet. So we're just gonna nail the original shingle back in, just for a simulation purpose. Just like this. Not big. So we're gonna fasten each one of these shingles with 5 nails
I think I need to go grab some more.
code. Per code without damaging these shingles above it any more than they've already been damaged. See, once we lifted that shingle up just barely enough
It's already delaminated.
to get the nail in there and drive it, we're already delaminating. This shingle is now damaged and needs to be replaced. Consider this a fail.
Yeah. Oh crap.
So this thing is completely failed now. Now we're gonna have to tarp this roof here. Same thing with this one. As soon as we lift it up enough, just to even get the nail to the nailer head and finish it flush, same problem. I believe this to be a repair fail. Thank you.